Manuel.
If you have a spliff and you say no, see it here, behind your ears. See there.
Sit.
Say hi to my friends. I'm a friend from down the road. Say hi. Tell them what your name or what them to call you.
President.
My son? President. Get on, where you say tomorrow?
Yo, my girl.
Yo, who is that talking to you, my girl?
Hello.
He's right there. So yeah, we just like ignore and think, you know, because at the same thing one night, you understand? Yeah, because him get beer now, but not to be recognize him, man. See Pete say hello to my friends.
You know, Pete. You know everywhere.
I'm a friend. I'm a YouTube friend.
Okay, are you a friend?
Yes.
First time on YouTube?
Yes,
Yeah.
Oh my God. Why you look for? Anyhow,
Pete.
nobody have fucking ignore him and they not get you. You understand? Them way there.
Say you know people, you know remember me. I roll away. Usually roll. Meet Pete John. I don't look for me good. I don't remember you never have an image. You're going to bumbo cloth, you don't remember me. Look one bumbo cloth me good. Me and John are friends. And blood clot till. We know say we are family.
John, talk to that man right there, please.
So what me I do? John, you can talk to our man also. Me tell you say, she and my family this. So me say, yo, Lord God.
I see the seal. Yo! What?
A woman, seriously?
Womek.
But you have with it.
No, we don't know. We don't have present.
It's fair enough.
Bye.
We'll go carry me back.
Want me as some girls?
Roy, you're drunk, eh?
No, not drunk.
You feel nice?
What's going on?
Nothing is going on. You can't stand up, you can't walk, you can't talk.
Yeah, I can talk. And
How much fingers is this?
Baby girl.
How much fingers? How much fingers is this?
We ready, fingers. Rosie. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 24, 25.
Oh shit! Roy, turn down the volume, yeah? Start take the part and go your yard. Yeah, Jamaica very nice. So you want to live to see our next day in Jamaica. You want to live to see our next day in Jamaica, so here one. Take the trail and go your yard. Go sleep.
Okay.
Your funeral a morning.
What's that?
want
Jamaican
marry me
accent?
too?
What the fuck?
Your funeral a morning.
I don't want to marry me too.
You don't, yeah, we don't want to bury you neither. We don't want to burn you.
Neither. Oh.
I don't want to burn. I want to bury.
Right.
Prop.
I don't want
Prop.
I don't want to burn, I want to bury. No, sir. Daddy, me tell him to take the path and start walk. You understand him say Jamaica nice. Say nice.
Yes, sir.
When you go,
Jamaica best. No. Hey, yeah, man, funny. Jamaica the best. No. Best country in the world. No.
You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Zoisha, and the video will be there in upcoming weeks when I go back home. Whenever I go back home.
How would that? How you feel am I dead, sir?
Daddy, you can't
You're watching this, sir?
mine.
No.
Just step on my case all night, man. I can't bother with him. Him.
Bongazil.
Whatever him call. That's his name?
That's what we call him.
He said that's where he came from.
That's
But
what we call him.
Jesus, I love his mercy, no
He
sir.
was related to
He said he's related to John.
yeah, to Papa.
No!
Him can't let go of fight here, you know. Him can't let go of fight. Look on him. Jesus, no sir.
So we get you right now, come on.
Kelly, I have to catch you and stop.
Yeah, we do.
When you go for a Saturday, man, hey, I do laugh like, hey.
Hey,
You're not really enough.
hold on.
You are going to laugh after me, don't you?
We don't start laugh after you already.
You're on that move, so still.
No, sir. Hold on, with the flashlight there.
Music. Hey, music, man. Hey, music, dead.
Roy, you don't need no more of that. Put it down. Put it down, you don't need no more. Can't let go of a chair, you know? In chair and in penis, in can't let go of We all laugh at 5 people them for. Wait, yeah, seriously, we all laugh at 5 people them for president. Eh?
You know funny?
Eh, president?
Fucking funny.
Roy, walking on one straight line. Walking on one straight line.
It's a nose walk.
No, walking on one straight line.
Okay, alright.
Bombard.
Red line.
Hold on, wait. Let me tell you if you start. I will tell you when to start.
Draw the line.
You just have to walk like this.
Draw the
Look.
line. You draw the line.
Look, you just have to walk like this.
Okay, you draw the line.
You just have to walk like this. In a one straight line, okay? Wait. Me not tell you if you go yet. Wait. Record for me. Record for me. Go walk.
You ready?
Idiot. Just press it.
You ready?
Press it down.
Oh.
Come on, let's go. Don't go like that.
You ready? Baby, go on, girl, go on. Just say that.
I was walking a straight line.
Lean line you're walking now.
Which line?
Lean line.
No, sir. No, sir. No, right. My line did straight.
No, go.
Yeah, man, it did very straight. Straight like ruler, straight like arrow. See it here, straight. Huh? What? What you say? Whose time? Me not understand what you say. What you say? I don't have no songs. Me not have no internet. Give me money. Me come from very smarty. Me not have no money. What? My grandfather. Grandfather.
I don't hear what to say, the girl.
Police will do what?
Check for your what?
That's the myself. You want the myself, come on. My blood, hey, myself, and I easy enough. So, yeah, them bright. You see you? You think you're easy? You think you're easy? It's not about head forward. Hey!
What do you write? Let's go at it.
No boy can answer that. No boy out there can answer like me. Let them right now. The whole,
I know like they can't dance like you, right?
none of them out there can dance like me. None of them.
They can't dance like you at all. None of them can dance like you.
What wrong with you?
President.
Yeah.
Let me see. See, I give you this.
No,
Why?
because I don't hear. I never use it at the moment.
You don't need no more feed.
What? When did you go to the neighborhood?
No, go on and film. I'm more man last week.
Never come here, right?
Hey! That's
Do that again. What you say?
waiting to see me falling in. Yes, they've got great power, so without your help. Hear me while I call you.
What you say, right?
They like who's on the face and they can't see.
You can't see.
They can't see.
What you say?
Can't manage your video like right now. Yeah, who's looking?
Hey, yo, this. I like this.
When they go watch my name, they ain't good.
Vibes turn up, you know. With their daddy on, you know. Foreigner there.
No.
Foreigner there.
Some of them there.
Some of them there.
Right, what you say? What you say, right?
Did you get something to eat already?
No, but
Got some weed?
we're good. I wouldn't have.
What on there?
We're not thinking about the steamed chicken. I think it's supposed to be rice.
I don't want to rice. More piece of chicken though. You can do that?
They just split.
No, no, we there.
I am Equan big, so I don't know
What? I am going big, so you know, no more. Yeah, no more weed, man.
Yeah, good music there. Dance to that. That's that one there.
Yeah, Jerry.
Gary.
Watch your rider. No!
Where my Jigo with this?
Vibes turn up, you know, dead yard.
When will I see what
You shot, you know.
you see
No, you know, I feel sit there.
uncensored.
You're uncensored.
We make a big amount, big money. Me didn't know. Me
Your record?
Sit on Facebook. I do, man. Sure, I never have paper, man. No, I'm not shy, man. So you my girl, don't you remember? My girl, don't you remember?
make you know what you do this night, yeah?
You pay me.
You sound like you're shit.
Me once.
God.
Can I get
Look at really was gone and blind me eye. Can't see really man. You say you can't see really. You can't see really.
I want to pass the people this song you touch you.
Hey, see like here. Pull up, man, so you can't see really. Pull up. Pull up, man, pull up. There's so many things here. See like here. Uncensored. Pull up.
Vibes turn up, you know. We have small ganja, you know. Yeah, me can't see you now. Zimmy.
But then give one Def Jam style right in that trailer.
As if you want to catch up a fire before you get the shine of that.
Oh, that really?
Stop, drop and roll. Only for grass there or something. Yo, I don't know how they expect people to remember that in the case of emergency. Stop, drop and roll. Like, you go to Jesus Christ, we have a fire. Oh God, we're water. Like, stop, drop and roll. Like, you understand? Stop, drop and roll. Those are supposed to be one of the.
Oh my God. You can imagine if you did wake up something just now?
I mean, I say like you hear somebody say hello.
Right?
You'd be like, shit.
Yo.
I'll be the guy.
Me got left with two, I want to go back a foreign.
Literally out of here.
Literally out of here. This was better than I thought it was gonna be, though. Honestly. I thought it was gonna be like such crappy music or no music, and like hardly anybody, you know? Yeah, but
I want to see a bunch of people there.
I doubt it, because if they were messaging me asking us how over this will look,
Where is that?
how is it going on over here?
Which part of it?
We don't call them, you know. Nobody over
And
here to
them
call them,
call.
and them call me, so them find the time.
So which part of it?
Of Karma Courts.
Oh, well, probably that one that kind of.
Nobody of them someone know the man. So,
Nobody over there knows him.
she said,
Gideon, we have one thing to tell you.
Yo! All of you would have seen tonight vlog. Oh God, when you come up on your phone, perfect.
Okay.
You remember when you remember the time when we did go at Bottom Road and you go in that bathroom and you say, I'm actually having fun because the guy that I like is actually talking to me?
but what?
Yeah.
You remember when we had that?
Yeah.
Alright, so the other day when we go at Bottom Road with Kenny, remember they come with them woman and him did it and him a look for me, you know? And me a look at him and I bust out in a laugh, right? Because me know why me a laugh, him know why him a look for me, so. And right. So then after he was showing Kenny some video and I was vlogging, like I didn't care who the fuck was there, who was watching me, I didn't give a fuck. So I'm there vlogging and then he's just like, me like, what you doing that video? I'm saying, yeah, you used to be, you're in one. You're in one. You know, he's like, me? Me in one? He's like, oh yeah, I remember that time. I say, you remember the time? He's like, yeah man, remember the time. No matter talk about the time, remember the time.
A
Yo.
long time I don't see my.
So funny.
I think my black him.
Last year, April, I'll never forget April 20th.
So I think you're leaving soon, ain't it?
Huh?
You're leaving soon.
Thursday.
Yeah. You're just done for probably this.
Yeah. But I'm coming back in December.
Yeah? You guys never link up though. You always just come down here and just keep to like whatever time here and you never come up.
Because
You just pass
honestly,
like 2 to 3 all the time.
no, because you know why? Before when we used to come down there all the time, it's because she was never working. So we'd always used to be home and bored. So we would be like, all right, let's go walk. But at the same time, it's like I don't have anyone's number or anything like that. So it's like I'm not just gonna walk down there and like see who I see because I don't really know nobody, you know. But I've been saying to myself, I'm like, I need to get friends. So like when I'm here, I can just.
You can probably have my number, man.
I will.
And I'm fun. I'm fun. In a real life, if you want it, no problem. But I'm saying,
Yeah, say.
turn the thing off, may I talk to you?
Yeah, I'm trying to make sure that it's working.
Alright, turn it off.
Okay, if I have to turn it off, then I'm gonna have to leave because I have to make sure that it's working.
Alright then, fine. I mean, come on, dude. Come on. We are talking, alright?
Exactly. So this is not doing anything. I'm not recording you.
No, but I mean, I talk to you, but I mean, come on.
No disrespect.
Sure, I'm listening.
You're not making up us, alright? From a nice guy who really love and cares for people. Where you guys been? You guys just go away and you don't even like care about who is. Hey, it's hurt. Friend, listen, let me tell you something. When you leave us,
Bye.
I say they love you.
Alright.
Come here. So listen, I'll tell you something. We punish. Sometimes you guys so beautiful. You guys look so beautiful, man. Friend, we don't need you for just like weird. We don't want you off and on. We just want you to just be nice. I want you to be very fucking nice because you're fucking you so hey friend, listen. You so it's hard to fucking beat the sweetness what you have.
Okay.
You can't imagine, I'm gonna show you. Every man I say, yeah, I wanna be with you. No man now say, hey girl, boy. Yeah, just to understand what I'm saying. If every man will say, I wanna be with you, no man now refuse it. In a real life. My friend, listen. I take a check. Because me no want to mess up. In a real life. No. You don't think I'm stupid. I'm just saying something to you guys.
Okay.
Hey, friend, I'll tell you something. You're so nice, okay? It's like natural blessing. You just want to make sure that everything goes.
Everything's fine.
Friend, and then you have a lot of time.
Yeah, because I don't really like to be touched.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Good. Come in with it. Make you touch me.
I don't want to.
Yeah, but friend, listen. I just want you to just cheer. Just no one will just be like you're stupid. You just want you to just be nice.
Okay.
In a real life.
I think I'm being nice. I just respect my boundaries and I'll respect yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just.
You don't want your blood clot because I'm not coming for food. You understand? Remember me tell you. You don't cry to blood clot. You come for your family funeral, you fucked up. You can't make no go dump the clot. Food, let's deal now. You know what you know? Just like this, fuck you. And somebody can talk to you. In a real life. Look at blood clot man up so. They maybe can't fuck. Like how they want some fuck. That's why you have to talk to your family. You understand? But up to the time, when they fuck you and breathe, they have to go blood clot mind them. You woke up so, you have my kid, you have blood clot, listen. Please, get to yourself. Come on, let's go different men. Right, see that? Please, do, no fuck up. I make my money. Come back like killing somebody. Tell me, I tell you. Yo, if you even know them, remember, you don't give a fuck if you know them. Tell me, I tell you.
Alright.
So boy, I love you. you will know.
Okay. Cool.
In a real life.
Yeah, cool. I hear you. If a boy will love me, he'll love me.
Listen, that boy, I love you. Right now, save your heart. You can suck your pussy, and I love you.
What?
Listen, that boy, I love you. Right now, save your heart. You can suck your pussy, and I love you.
Okay.
In a real fucking life.
Okay.
In a real life, that boy.
So your girlfriends, the ones that you love, you suck their pussy?
Listen, I only suck one pussy.
Okay.
In a real life.
Okay.
I mean, you know, get you. See me that wherever, man, I tell us here. And you love someone, you don't go around and do it.
The smoke is bothering my eye.
I can't think. You want to talk to me? You can't talk? Are we talking?
Not really. I'm gonna go look for my dad and go look for people before they leave because some people are leaving, so I want to make my round.
Where John go? And John go
He's right there.
I go, no, man, me just want you for those. Be careful.
Okay. I hear you. I will.
You know nothing wrong with you.
I will.
Alright, go ahead. Me some more cigarette. Go out.
All right.
Tomorrow we'll do it tonight.
Yeah. Again.
So,
All right. I'll see you at the funeral, I guess. All right.
yeah. Just take care of yourself. I really like it.
All right.
Come on.
Kadian. That is 5 minutes of foolishness. You understand?
Oh, I see.
Done well.